generality of it for everybody is we're very quickly to forget. We always talk about lessons learned, and then we talk about it, but then does anything actually happen? So we look at last year, and I think there's many lessons learned last year, but quickly, I think there's many people that have already forgotten about last year. And more, we just need to advocate stronger. The fire chiefs are doing this, and hopefully first responders are making a big push on this. Is it's going to be equal to, if not worse than last year, especially in Alberta, if we don't see any more participation across, this province. But again, it was a national problem last year. And what we thought we might have been working alone in isolation in Alberta quickly rolled into BC. And then you hear the East Coast going nuts. So it's I think a national problem we're going to see again this year. And I think it's going to be bigger.